From this video we are going to learn how can you take a screenshot on MacBook or iMac. So to take a screenshot you just need to press three keys at once. The keys are Shift, Command and 5. So I'm going to press these keys at the same time. After pressing these three keys simultaneously, you will get this window and you can see there is three options. Either you can capture the entire screen, or you can capture the selected window, or you can capture the selected portion that you have selected. So if I want to select this mountain only, you can just drag it here and select the mountains, and after that you can either click on the capture button or you can click on the return key to capture the screenshot. As you can see, this is the screenshot that I have captured. So this is how you can take a screenshot on MacBook or iMac. Also, if the video was helpful to you, then don't forget to subscribe to our channel and like this video.